In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable mods on Opera GX. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first you want to open your Opera GX browser, and from here you just want to click on the Opera icon in the upper left corner of the screen. So this will basically open a drag down menu. So from here just select settings. Now you want to go to this GX section. So you want to scroll a bit down. And from here, you will see this web modding option or setting. So you want to click on that. And from here, you can just add your custom mod to customize your web. So from here, just go to the domains and just click add. From here, you can add your web modding style. So just simply fill this all up and you're done. Want to click OK and you're done. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.